solar power is becoming an increasingly popular source of energy in the state of Texas. With its abundant sunshine and vast open spaces, Texas has the potential to be a leader in solar energy production. In this video, we will explore the benefits and challenges of solar power in Texas, as well as the current state of the solar industry in the Lone Star State. One of the main advantages of solar power in Texas is its potential to reduce electricity costs. By harnessing the power of the sun, homeowners and businesses can significantly lower their monthly energy bills. Additionally, solar power is a clean and renewable source of energy, helping to reduce carbon emissions and combat climate change. In this scene, we will showcase the economic and environmental benefits of solar power in Texas. While solar power has great potential in Texas, there are also challenges that need to be addressed. One of the main challenges is the intermittency of solar energy, as it can only be generated during daylight hours. However, advancements in energy storage technology are opening up new opportunities for solar power in Texas. This scene will explore the challenges and opportunities of integrating solar energy into the electric grid. The future of solar power in Texas looks promising. The state government and utility companies are increasingly supportive of solar energy initiatives, offering incentives and rebates to encourage adoption. Additionally, advancements in solar panel efficiency and decreasing costs are making solar power more accessible than ever before. In this final scene, we will discuss the potential growth and impact of solar power in Texas.